again, heat number 3. Mike says you gotta go louder now. Let's hear the cheer, let's go. Yeah, he says fire him up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're back. That's the 20 Let's Go Brandon car, William S. Strikes out there. Keep an eye on him. Looks like he's got a good car. There's Matt. He's looking at the 96 is Roman. That's Michael Jones. Michael Jones. Vince Chrysler. William S. He's driving the car for America. Here comes the number 4 coming in hot. Good hit. '69 had a hard start, but it's still in it. That's next back for Boston Spot. William Ash from Ford Ann, that's a Ford. She's on fire. Mark Barber's there though. Now let's fire him up. Let's go with a 3, 2, 1. Fire it up! Well, that was a little over dramatic. Now we're moving. That was not urgent. You have to be louder next time. Lined up here, 51X parked right in the way. Oh, that 4 car's still going. That's a good pump left in it. Somebody got to hit somebody. There we go. There's a hit. Yeah. I think we got the clock going on this one over here, 420. Okay, the clock going on a couple of them. Then we got 3, maybe 4 cars going. Go play a possum here, we'll find you. That's the 39J still going. Robert Gardner out of Melrose, he's still going. He's coming around the side. The 96 is still cranking. Michael Jones really moving. Michael Jones in a Chrysler. All right, Ford's still doing some hits. We got to get these guys together. Ooh, good hit by the 4. A lot of life left in that one. '96 still taking pop shots down here. It's getting the game. All right, we'll get the officials. Looks like we want to get these two cars together, the 4 and the '96. 4 saying, you're still in. That 96 had a little bit of trouble. 4's not. How about that 4 car out there? It's doing all right. This Daniel Pettis Jr. out of Argyle in a Hyundai. He's doing just fine. I think we got a couple clocks going. Whoops. Got real quiet. Alright, we're going to get the official word on who's still in. I know a couple of these haven't moved in a while. So we'll find out who had the clock going. Hopefully that 4 can get fired back up. I think the 96 gone quiet too. We got the clocks all running. The clocks are running. 79A is out. Timed out. That 79A timed out. Sid. You have timed out, Sid. What has happened? All right. What happened? Somebody tell me a story. That's the only one moving, but they were out. They timed out, so we can't allow that. That one was timed out. I think the 4 made a competitive hit toward the end there on the 96, and I'm not sure what happened down here. So we're up here trying to figure it out ourselves. 4 might be going again. The clock's running. How much we got, Jennifer? On the 4. Got a minute on the 4. Let's go, 4. We got a minute on 79A is out. Yeah, sorry, pal. Clock expired on you a while ago.